guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a haul video. So I'm going to show you guys some awesome boots that I got from Asos for my birthday. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So today I have a different backdrop. I am in the kitchen. I'm at Joey's house and I decided to film in the kitchen because I'm sitting right in front of a window and the lighting is amazing. So I figured, you know what? I'm just gonna film today in front of this window. I'm not doing a makeup video, so I don't have a lot of technical problems and having to set up, so it's perfect. I just have a chair and my setup and we're good to go. Anyways, today I'm going to show you guys some cool boots that I got from Asos. I had this list of birthday gift ideas. I always do that every year. So I created this list for birthday gift ideas and I shared it with my family. I always create birthday lists. Do you guys do that? Some people think it's weird, but I like it. I like to tell you what to get me because I know I'm gonna like it 100%. So what I did is I went on Asos and I created a list of boots that I wanted to get for the season. So my family was so kind and gracious and they got me the boots. So the first boots I'm gonna show you guys are these olive green ankle style boots. Look at these boots. I mean, look at the detail. Let me show you the detail that caught my eye. This gold detailing that looks like a zipper, but it's not a zipper. The zipper is actually on this side, so it zips up like this. It's kind of hard to zip it up, but I love the olive green color. I've never had olive green boots before, and when I came across these boots I was like, oh my gosh, these have to go on my list. I had countless outfit ideas that popped up in my mind when I saw these. They're so cool, so fun, so chic. I can wear this with a skirt, with a dress, with pants. So versatile, and that's always one thing that I go for when I'm picking out boots. I like to pick out boots that I can wear with pretty much everything and anything, and these boots are just so awesome. Look at this color. First wore them with this outfit and I love how the green and black contrast on the jacket match well with the boots. I feel like they pull all the colors together and it just creates a perfect marriage for the outfit. I also paired the look with this washed out denim jeans that are cut out. I like that edgy look that the jeans give the entire outfit. I also paired the look with this white crop top because I don't know, I was just going for a rocky girl, edgy, street style look, you know what I mean? So I think these boots complemented the outfit. Second boots, I will take them out of the box. These are the shoes. They are sock anchor boots. I think they call them sock boots because the top looks like a sock. But I've always wanted to get a pair of these because of how stylish they look. I like how pointy they are. Definitely full style boots. You can wear these on a day out or a night out. I think they're so versatile too. You can wear these shoes with pretty much anything. I was thinking short skirt chunky sweater, which is why I paired them with this skirt, and I also added this chunky sweater to give it a pop of color. I like that the look looks very classic but also chic at the same time. I just like how the black and red match together and the detail in the skirt just pulls out the look as well. The outfit options for these shoes are enormous, so I can't wait to go crazy with these. So next up are these black suede boots. Look at this, guys. Look at these bad guys. When I saw these shoes, I think the thing that got my attention was this gold detail at the front. When I saw it, I was like, I'm getting these shoes. I want them like yesterday. I like black shoes that have a gold detail, any type of gold detail at the front. I don't know, I feel like it's so elegant. It pulls out looks really well. Black is a color you can never go wrong with. So whenever I pick out boots for the season, I try to make sure I am loading on the black side of colors because I can wear black with everything. When I first saw these boots, I was like, this is a replica of the Gucci boots, but I was like, I don't care. You know those Gucci boots that have the Gucci logo on the side? But I was like, you know what? Hey, I can get the same style, well, not the same style, but something similar for a really affordable price. The first time I saw these shoes was with this puff sleeve top. It has beautiful detail. It's very elegant. The style screams fall. I paired the look with these denim black jeans. I've always wanted black denim jeans. I did have a pair from Express and it unfortunately ripped, so I had to go back and get the same exact jeans. The entire outfit is from Express, but the shoes are from Asos. Like I said in the beginning, I just love this look. I accessorized the look with this gold buckled belt. I like the gold that pops out because it also pulls out the gold detail on the shoes. So yeah, these shoes I totally love. Let me give you guys a quick look again. This is the front, the side. Love this so much. So the last pair of shoes I'm gonna show you guys, oh, I guess we have some background noise. But the last pair of shoes I'm going to show you guys is a pair that I wanted so bad. Matter of fact, when I shared this birthday list with my family, I was like, these shoes, they should be these are the highest priority. These are top on the line. Whenever you're buying me a gift, look at this first, okay? Because I wanted to wear them to New York. And you guys already saw on Instagram, I already posted these ones. I need to give this a drum roll because these are for the books. I mean, I got a lot of compliments for this, guys. Oh my gosh. These shoes, look at that gold. Look at that gold detail. I mean, you guys can clearly tell I like black shoes, black boots with some type of detail, and if it's gold, you sold me. These shoes, listen honey, I was like, I have to have these shoes. I don't know how I'm gonna get them. If no one gifts me these shoes, I am going to gift them to myself, okay? So Joey's dad actually gave me these shoes and I was like, oh yes, I wanted them so bad for New York. I was like, I have to buy these shoes before New York. I just love how sexy, and I just love how this shoes is so elegant. I mean, they're that pair of boots that you wear and you stop traffic. People are gonna stop and ask you, where did you get these shoes from? These shoes will do that. I mean, they just so elegant, so fashionable, so stylish. These shoes, yes. Look at them. I love a pair of boots like this. Be careful when you're walking in this because you don't want to scratch them up, you don't want to rough them up, you want to be extra careful. Walk like a lady, not like a man, you know. Just take your time because these shoes speak volumes. So first time I wore these shoes was in New York, like I mentioned, and I styled them with this chunky sweater that just gives me fall foliage vibes, and I paired the look with this snakeskin skirt that has an amazing slit. I remember the first time I saw this skirt on the Express website, I was like, I need to buy this skirt. This skirt belongs in my closet. I don't even know why I don't have hands on it. So when I went to Express, I wanted to find a birthday outfit to wear the day we went to New York, and I already had the shoes, so I had to figure out something that would complement the shoes. So it dinged on me. I was like, dang, I need to get that skirt that I saw on their website. So I got the skirt and I saw the sweater and I was like, this is perfect. This look is perfect. The downside to these shoes is that, sorry guys, there's this dog in the background that keeps barking. So please just bear with me. I am trying to make this work. But what I was gonna say is, if you plan on wearing these shoes, try not to wear them for the whole day or try not to do a lot of walking, because the problem that I faced wearing this in New York was I wore them with a skirt and we did a lot of walking that day, and by the end of the day I had wounds on my legs because the leather just kept rubbing on my skin, and it's not a good feeling. I was in so much discomfort. If I could show you guys, I have the worst wounds because of these. But nonetheless, these shoes are a must-have. I highly recommend getting them because they're just so stylish and very it's a closet essential. You know, if you want to go out or if you're going to a party and you want to stand out during the season, you want to get this. These shoes will have people asking for your Instagram username because they want to be your friend because you are stylish, girl. So definitely get this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's it for me. Those are the only pairs of shoes that I wanted to share with you guys. I think I'm going to keep stocking up on boots for the season going into winter. So whenever I buy new shoes, I will just put them to the side, and when I have a collective, then I will come and just share with you guys the new items that I would have got. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, show it some love. Let me know down below what you thought. Give me suggestions, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.